Alright, it's just me and the little ones at Costco. So we're about to head to this mysterious location. It's really just where we're gonna spend our cousin Christmas all together. Get some groceries, feed these girls, maybe use the bathroom, and then we'll head out. Get on.
We are standing all the time.
I know. How about this? She'll scan it at the thing, okay? That's okay. Thank you, though. These girls are pros. Pros, I tell you.
Okay.
We're just here to get some eggs,
I want to get
maybe some
cupcakes
bacon,
for
milk,
my teacher.
and some drinks.
Can we get cupcakes when it's down?
Cupcakes? Okay. What about you?
Daddy, look.
Well, oh, I know. The temptation.
We have that game, but it's not working.
It's not working? Okay.
We lost the
Do
car.
we need to get a new one then?
Yes.
Alright.
Look.
Don't look, okay? There's just too many good deals in the clothing section. It's kind of ridiculous. Chicken bake? Yeah, we'll get it. Oh my gosh. The tutus. Don't worry, we're going to get it. Alright, first thing Daddy's going to get some beer. First, we're going to get this Kirkland Signature Lager. And then some non-alcoholic. Because we're getting older. We're more conscious of our health. And this beer is actually pretty dang good. What do you girls want?
I want strawberry banana smoothie.
Alright, strawberry banana smoothie. What are you guys looking at? Here.
A shrimp.
Oh, this?
Yeah, this is shrimp.
These are lobster tails, girls. I'm here for the steak. $20 off. Hey, hold on a sec. Don't get it just yet, okay? This might be a silly question, but are these steaks like the same as any other that you could grill up or pan fry? Or do you want to roast?
Ooh, that is a really good question.
It says steak on it.
Yes,
These are fillets.
Wait.
You know, right? Kind of?
kinda. So it's a tenderloin.
Okay, got it.
It's a tenderloin just cut up close to the same size as just a filet mignon.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can cook it pretty much however you feel
So like if I, like normally I do New York's and I grill it, right?
Yeah.
Or I put it on a pan with like
so
some like,
soft.
butter and
I
I just like
and
pan fry it. I
touch
can do the same thing with you.
The wolf
and
so
get her to be good.
Okay, thank you very much. That's a freaking good deal. $20 off tenderloin. I never buy it. That's why I had to ask so many questions. Also got chicken salad sandwich and fettuccine alfredo. You're so hungry? Don't worry, we're gonna get you, okay? Now we're gonna get some eggs. Hopefully I have that pasture-raised stuff, but maybe not. Oh, they got pasture-raised, girls! Oh my gosh! Okay, wait. Oh my Lord! I found it! Finally! Here, watch out, baby. Don't move it. Pasture-raised eggs!
I don't want
We got it, girls! Oh, how many dozen is there? 2 dozen? 2. We'll get more tomorrow. Oh, make pasture-raised eggs! That's what's up! You're hungry? Don't worry, we're gonna get it. Okay, let's go now. Okay, we definitely need some butter. Need some milk. Get the fresh stuff. 417, 418. There we go. Chocolate milk? Yeah, we're not doing. You guys are gonna eat so much sugar. So much sugar. Come on, let's go. All right, we gotta get some milk alternatives. One thing about Judy's family, I make them coffee. I'm like the barista, but gotta have the barista milk. Where is it? Gotta go back in here. Can't find the barista oat milk. I don't see it in here either. Okay, thank you for being very patient. Okay, we're gonna go back out now because I can't find it. Huh? You're hungry? Okay, let's go get chicken bake right now, baby. And guess who else is gonna be there? Mommy! Oh, smoothie? Maybe a little bit, but. Oh, you know what we need? Bacon. We got pasture-raised eggs here, but they don't have barista oat milk. Probably smart not to buy it here anyways, because that's a lot of barista oat milk. Ooh, I see the bacon though, girls. You want to get it? I think it's going to be hard for you to get, so let me grab it. 4 bags or 4 packs. We'll definitely go through the. Hey, don't break the door, please. $16 for this. Okay, let's go.
Get my chicken bacon.
Yeah, let's go now. I think that's enough. That's all we need for the moment. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Interesting, they got their grapes out here and not in the refrigerated section. Of course, let's get some green grapes. Let's mix it up. These ones are $9. These ones are $10. You know, we'll eat through all these. Probably need like 2 or 3 croissants. What's nice about these is they're so damn cheap. $7 for how many? 12 of them? I'll take it. And with 25 people, this is a 60 count. I bet you this will be gone literally in a day. You know what? These might be good too. These are just these dessert bars. 32 count. How much are these? $20. Adults will like these ones probably. Oh my God, these kids and adults are gonna be spoiled. Mini beignet filled chocolate hazelnut donuts. Mini beignets filled with basically Nutella. Yeah, $10. So I plan on making a pasta sauce. And again, when you're feeding hella people, this whole pack, which would normally last us 2 or 3 servings at our house, this is go-to. Mild Italian sausage for my pasta sauce. How much is this guy? $20. Not bad for this much protein. What the heck is this? Never seen it before. Meatball paninos. It's like fancy Hot Pockets. Okay, I feel like I probably need to get an extra thing of Caesar salad now that I think about it. Some mac and cheese. Let me know what you guys think about this mac and cheese. I think this is fancy enough for the adults to appreciate it, but not too fancy where the kids won't eat it. So, especially as a side dish for steaks, this is really good. And it's $14, and this is hefty. Alright, so I forgot. I'm gonna be doing pizzas, and instead of doing just straight red sauce for every pizza, I was gonna do a pesto pizza. So I'm gonna grab these Campari, tomatoes, which sometimes can be pretty sweet, slice them up and make them the toppings for the pesto pizza. These will be good too, just as a little snacker for the kiddos. Some grape tomatoes. These are $9, which honestly it's just hard to beat compared to the regular grocery stores. These Cara oranges, super sweet, huge favorite in our household. Cara, I believe, is a cross between like a navel orange and a blood orange. Very flavorful. One of the pizzas, or probably 2 of them, we'll be doing a basil pesto pizza. So put this on for the sauce, mozzarella cheese, and then those tomatoes. A huge hit at the parties. Whoa, green leaf kimchi. What is up with this? Korean authentic kimchi. Green leaf. Fancy in a bag and everything. So that would be so good with some steak. Definitely grabbing some mango nectar for the kiddos. Yeah, this will get inhaled too. Alright, Spindrift. So this is just a really natural sparkling water, but it really does taste like lemonade. This is a pink lemonade. My favorite is a strawberry lemonade. Not as sweet, but it's crazy. It like tricks the brain into thinking you're drinking lemonade. So definitely a big hit with the kids. And if you want to add some sweetness, you can, but I love Spindrift. A lot of the adults were asking for Diet Coke, which I never buy. It is at 35 cans, $20. So gonna get one of these. This will probably be gone in a hot second too. I will get one thing of Sprite though, because the kids will love that. Boba Ube ice milk bars. That sounds so freaking delicious. Anything bubble tea. So Judy's asking for s'more stuff. Not sure if they'll have everything, but they definitely have some graham crackers. This is $10, so definitely a value. So of course we're gonna do bacon, but I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and switch it up. Do some links. These are organic chicken breakfast sausage links. I'll probably need to do 2 of these. As I mentioned, definitely gonna do some bacon. 1 whole pack will do for this weekend. And I'm telling you, 25 people, we're gonna eat through all 4 packs of these. $16.49. Definitely doing hot dogs, and I like to get the all beef ones that are hot dog bun size, not the big ones, like the stadium size for the kids. Honestly, it's probably good to keep it kind of healthy. Do some Uber green, Suja green juice. Oh, and it's on sale. I'll take it. $9.49. Someone also asked for this ginger love. Never tried it, but pretty gnarly. Lemon, ginger, pineapple. This is kind of a rare find. Matt's organic orange juice. I never see this at my Costco. This is awesome. Good beer snacks to go with that. Kirkland Signature Lager. Definitely gonna do some pasta. Good old Rouse. Probably get 4 bottles of this. So for olive oil, I'm gonna go a different direction today. Normally I buy the big bottle, but this stuff is really good because it's got a squeeze bottle and we're going to this Airbnb. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this, and then obviously whatever's left over we can take home, but this will be the first time I'm trying this. Kind of excited. It is more expensive, 2 bottles for $16.99, but heard good things. Just pass it. Say no. All right, Juliana requested some yogurt. 3, 4.10. See, gotta check it. You want the fresh stuff in the back. There we go. Come on, girls, close the door, please. Okay, now we're for reals gonna go. Okay, we're for reals gonna go.
No, we need chicken bake.
Yeah, let's go get chicken bake right now. Come on. Bananas. Okay, well, we'll see about that. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.